Slime today.
Yeah, and also we did this a couple of hours ago, and you see that's kind of like sticky. We try to make it soft.
Fluffy blue neon slime. That kind of looks like a giant blue turd.
Yeah. Are we gonna send this to my dad?
Maybe. I might just put it on YouTube. Oh, look at your hands. Look at that. Did you kill a Smurf village?
No!
You didn't? It looks like you did, though.
You just did it with blue dye.
Look at this. Look at the gloriousness.
So
look at how blue. Look at how blue.
And also, like, kind of look like, it looks like it has Smurf hands now.
So blue. Look at this blue. And look at that neon blue.
Is this pretty or what? Look,
it's so pretty.
If you look at the sky in this, you might tell that it looks like the sky.
Did you have fun making it?
Uh-huh. Wait, can we call this video? I'm having so much fun, and now it looks like a tree trunk under there.
Try making it look like a poop.
What?
Make it look like a poop emoji.
It's gonna be a little sticky one.
It's okay. Just kind of swirl it. Pull and swirl. Pull and swirl. No, pull it up and then swirl it and then let go. It didn't really work out, but it's still really fluffy looking. Do you need more saline?
Yeah.
Okay. Mix it together. We gotta add more saline. It's still really sticky.
Maybe you put it in too much glue.
Nope, just enough glue.
Yeah, but
just enough shaving cream. Had to add more saline to it, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's doing better. Oh! Yep, just round it all up and stick it to it. It's really sticking to your hand, though. You have like a trail. Okay, so now we have this giant mound of fluffy slime. Look how stretchy it is. Okay, and that is all for now. I'm going to let her play with her slime now. Say bye!